Mamemfa aseda PSC mfama eye edinkra herbal mixture. Edinkra herbal mixture say upebi na onomo a ebeboa eyi ade ni nyina firi ho ama watumi ade ho. Oyade ne de malaria. Entotuma hwemwanya malaria. Edi fever beja so. Edinkra herbal mixture. Wo area mo na ade ko herbal shop na ebe wo na pharmacy shop na ebe wo no. Udura kasa wo pe malaria dry friend no edinkra herbal mixture. Na wo ne yade ne nto edinkra. Na munyo bia enko ne separate ways. Stomach pains and joint pains in ya be free ho. Loss of appetite be from what me atibia dia edinkra herbal mixture. Any edre beji wa kajiremu to phone for 0248 778 899 0248 778 899. NL4 edi super 6 edi aba. Super 6 easy play easy win ankasa. Choose lucky numbers baku 6 from numbers 1 to 55. Now numbers ne 2 6 numbers in now to now the one Ghana city ne 2 ya ubetumi anya enka ne 1 billion. So 6 numbers now mbompo na 5 numbers 2 we diska. 4 numbers nebe 2 we diska. 3 even 2 numbers impo enebe appear we diska. And when you super 6 NL for diaba na onso for diska afimu for inche loto QS BM na kocha super 6 and then you may draw nebe koso de biara draw no koso except Sundays pet. Super 6 easy play easy win. Super 6 you're lucky 6. Mama meja for akwa be me ba na me de tile fix and DBS honso nsemo media bro. Kwame your body is in the building, man. Mr. Black. Kwame your body is in the building, man. Now
so kan potem wona ba bia medu bia no asa me no nam ba bia medu bia me to kan am say me nua ba bia stop bia me ro bia de ho aboso kan aga say wo twagum sa adwuma da wase
na bibia bokọ de
na me ya adom ye tempo anu ide just anwani mu
na me party na me pe
na mpanimfo asunsu ya one side pe ene say eye akwamuhene awokọ abitifi na brefro dan so na ma me afim
weekend ya we see a full
Friday to Monday
kwa abitifi yes that yefi residence no he
won Akuma Villa how dey muni beto na anapani ma yasa maso de kwa abitifi Roman Catholic school park kan so nyina ahon ya kwa ye wufusum dia ma abrewa no ya ma ne sukosie ni wi na fe ya beto ayi ne so
na abrad in fie say
odi 82 years
wow
na fe so ya beko awufusum no brotherhood so ni brotherhood sorry o uni brotherhood sorry
mati brotherhood sorry
muza anna muza ma da be so muza ma na brotherhood sorry wo ho all be friend brotherhood na wo ho how na me na no kwa sorry enti ye sorry ni wi a ya san beto so kwese da no our park no so from panimfo asu anu no enti we dey me wayem
enti abetifi
kwa that is the highest human settlement in Ghana.
Wow.
Baby, I was so pa in the
how many thousand feet above sea level?
I don't have the figure, but it is in the records that Abitifi is the highest point in the party.
It's a bedroom 2,000 feet above sea level.
I think I have to check it.
I know I'm checking the Fahrenheit level.
Any centimeter. That continue with your picture. Auntie, I will be background. Let's check out some about it.
Matthias,
EBS for monument BS Babia. Had the highest point.
Okay.
Next time, be a economy for if you me I'm church of the tourist sites I walk over BTV. What I say? There were caves being at the crowd. How you put in costumes?
Inspiration.
No, you're mushims.
I'm a cave.
I'm some prayer one thing.
No, go check cave.
I love to 12 brewery. Asama brafuni ye wo ho ba hade ye woni ama bebrewa ye mfadi
osu sheke bra na moto to
sa mo fried rice and chicken ko sa campaign no mo fa mo kete ane mo niema mimi ni mo do dio na menya yiri ntia me di love rough hu mi tantan sa no me di love basa sa mo ko abitifi baby abut ayi no one caves ni one na ma fa natural niema nko a ma fa bobo kakra bibi kakra anadwo na mo hye mo tent mu na mo ani su
eno ti no ma no
man no look get every babo from so dia money romance ni nyina
waso be shepa what do say so to achi
to do pani mi krom na me ton mi krom abitifi tourist attractions awo ho na me ka be
Ghana for nyina o
abetifi be bia ho e kam
waterfalls now
say the man ya sia ye ho no
Brian Achampong
yes
on no member of parliament for abitifi
okay
Oskari Brian Achampong so na me kan
one was see
Rock City no small boy billionaire no
why sikru no
mikro mempino no
under former president Kufuor ase
so no yes akwan ade ade na wo
Kufuor so ne saboa no
so you see obi na mo bi so
na ya na mo wan say omwa yen
who say obeti boy pa you know why we when so be boy ska fa on sam no
so you adwen say o boy
but omwa yen
Chale ba pedi
oni kwaku mensa nyina mo mo ani fa say minim say drive for no musuban no
but kwaku de ofia boche we ba ne ma be
okay obade nkofo bi abo ansa abetifi
ayi
we no o say 1972 above sea level.
1972 above sea level.
Meters and centimeters.
And feet about feet about. I don't see a technical skills for school.
Measurement there. Oh yeah, now me mo. Radio so near one.
What do you mean again?
O say feet say.
1972 feet above sea level.
Yeah, 6 feet in the sea.
And according to Obama, that is the highest point. Greater Accra.
The whole of Ghana.
Settlement.
Yes.
Ghana.
Our call signs gas means a gas that's all what. That's what kind of gas. That's what kind of gas.
Gas near the here.
Ghana Association of Science Teachers.
Who's that? I don't know. Chemistry one, physics one.
Oh, you
School papa for
the ability of liquids to rise in tubes. Different capillarity. And matter is anything that has
what is osmosis?
Osmosis.
What is osmosis?
It is the movement of solvent from a region of higher concentration to a region of Baba. What is diffusion?
What is diffusion? Between diffusion and osmosis.
Yeah, and so tattoo. I heard the Baba che. Sans as be a baby.
Also, we are every trim that goes to be.
Now, opening what leads to condensation?
Condensation they say evaporation. Evaporation.
Balance as a mask for no more.
Yeah. Evaporation. Temperature now is so cold. So the vapor will condense. When the vapor condenses, then it falls as rain.
Distillation.
The process
of distillation, condensation.
So process they never first. Process they never first.
Say
what can distillation and what can condensation? Them say processes.
No, it starts with the heat, and the evaporation will take place. Then condensation will come, and then after the condensation, then the rain will come.
So why does distillation come in?
Oh, the distillation is a different process.
When you say quite fast, it's that one and so fast at all. It's a brochure this in so and yampa bono. Because Omnium says, what about this? Is so bono. Now evaporation take place. Not a cold we more too much. Science teacher.
Someone finance because we scratch up.
Oh, now somebody can answer.
Now, Vim na de kasa nyebu ha na wuti.
If you are lying, you have to lie with confidence.
Nyama musuan wo school nyina mo de ye dem
wo nyansa e bie ya dwene
enam ko kan professor tia ba buru na oni krom ha no se pa har school anya hwa papa isikum
o tro
di odi mathematics pa so no what tech odi mathematics ana so opani mimi kam
na dia wasu wo didi ho no na wo be super no nti
na dia ne find why
besin Ken West come on what you say ayiwo lift wo anya dwuma Conti
unity hall so make a unity hall
masikeme enchen wo say ya traffic light ewu ye no em say be 20
enye adwuma da enye adwuma etimi me sense no
enchen wa na you take you
that is what the problem is that science e be di maba ayenya mfaso wo so no that is my problem
no bebre na no aka shells so bebre na aka shells
me you go school ya ma ya tro thesis ni ade ko bisa say wo University of Ghana
they need financial support. They need financial support.
Yeah, no. A test of memory, not intelligence.
Okay.
And I said knowledge, memory.
Yeah.
Okay.
And to what ability to be babano. When I brilliant student.
Okay. What you say?
Yeah.
But Oshe abrofi books or monatron. weda no ma de e na o ma hwe no ma twere buso om de yeso na yakosesa ni nyina ye de aba ne yeso ye di bi okra ye hunu da
opani bi bisa
na ye IT okroma so na akola hu computer la
me akola nyina me nyansa me ka se Peter ni ko bisa akwahye me yakopa ne sheme ni esua glacial landforms oni glacial landforms are snow ana aforme na me bisa chani ni say na yesu snow no kura bi nto okroma ase nti ha ho
ye wasu kotwe o ye de ne school
teacher mini yakum adobi otima anya doketwa obroni ko
teacher for ni police wade o mo pekura ni say o challenge
e bi me na me kire madwen
o na me kan ade o mo pekura no police teacher
yase kwa me nkruma of blessed memory so timi kokra ayi snow plows ni snow plows no de ba kruma
no mo me plows susu
afa won se kruma de ti anya ye free tete nya ne start opani enra
but before so be ko enra no enemy who and there be enemy who across for bus
one kasa de wani
me am de mani
ni wa na
old one bed no ya treachery bed
phobia bed
ni a treachery bed our kaneshi
legendary
our kaneshi
so no o manya spray
na wo echeri white wo to
no e me kan o hwe bompa no
bompa
say na atu o so
ase ehusie na na efi exhaust pipe na
ehusie ne ampa hu ka na mpa
o se ehusie ne too much na ka also nsuo na ba
ehusie na ne
ye wo kromo also ka ehusie na ba
and no thank God say me am de mani
ye fa pollution
phobia bed
emra fa pollution yipi
phobia bed
ada problem onya o bed ne ho ne de yin
emusia
o na me kai o
se ehusie free mu ba but o ka no so ka de na ba nso na ba anya ka bia ehusie wo mu munyima phobia bed ne free
wa ka say ka bia ehusie
ba say engineer
na no da kwa despite ebe yi aye free ka eba emu de na say emusie free mu ba e fa hian ke kasa say
anu ade bi o ba mini ehusie
smoke inducer
opani ba se ho to no anura me be kan kotoko asem ha se eye opani adi timi na hye ne sa ohweso se de ne kokobbo etu atofom sa ni koko apaye a kese ode abufu
adi bi ho no me be bi ho no
da masa
se obasi enfa emma mpani
mani
ka se pani kokobbo twe ato a da bi yenye
ebe de ni mpani ebe ni mpani me bia ya opani me ba me hwehuna me ye ko na titwi me pese me papa de buafu na me ntimi nkasa bufu
wo se kwa mi che kokobbo
me kokobbo che waya to se ti
kwa mi che kokobbo
it's okay since what to from ti
to for some man ba ku betima boni din de kokobbo account
bye body dem kokobbo no be na mi
me heke no flow
obari ye se enra
to se kwa mi che kokobbo
bo ho amana
ne bu asiafu na wo sa te ye ne kokobbo
ne ka sa ne kokobbo tie me ne ka te kokobbo a different
o ye so na o se atwa san
ni bube
antina figuratively
figurative
and no so age no literally
figurative because figurative what I say
there been figurative or asem na kan no
I'm not referring to the kokobbo ankasa you know
na kokobbo
ni kokobbo apai
ni koko apan koko kraba pan koko ni ni koko try we say
o ye de hu se koko ni o ye de hu
koko dey say headquarters no wa ya
why no koko
man ya ni modu yi
oh you be mo hey ni modu wa ye you ada
o de ba
koko ya re boni opani na unse osopa kotoko players management obi kase mo bon kwase abo mo da ko bo ayi
wan sopa o otia o
sopa
pani tia kola wan sopa kola
pani atia kola
watia
yo ane watia wo watia management atia players nyina wie ye no ana ade tie hwese bia players no be kase bia mana to pani trimu a players no namo ana mo kase luso mususu ye nyina kase entontom ana ewi wom enti na eye asokwa deportivo etimi share wom omni kase hotel om koda ya edum kanea
a whole kotoko wom to be 2000 Ghana cedis allowance
me dey menkasa o
a whole Kumasi Asante kotoko
o yes ka ho sabe ne ma menka biem ka ha what is
am entontoma yemo next match mo ntumi ani ni
perform ye ECG for edum kanea ya om fort company ayesusu ha
na dey tell you koda hotel a edum kanea ye ni
mutumi koda hotel e o generator
to koda mo ye mi ka mo dey
ko asan sunsum wo tim we mo
ye ko ha o China nam dan na chi we so generator si
asan so we make sure aso o
ye nko ne nam dan na chi
and na be ko na so
mo generator break ke sie pa ni bi ansa na yaje o
na so obusa me se me ba cho ha edum kanea
yo kan dey enko asem dey but dey o kan memfa
dey me kan dey enko asem mo
me se dey place ne kan dey enko asem
o mo se ntonton
yo kan dey
na so want to be anya enough rest previous night how better game
am so want to me rest
open
ni tie kasa
kwa mo story na
ka be mpa ngone frekwe na omka kosi se
enye nkwasem ya na oto aso yi
ene magya nkwasem
ene twa so ansa na
kese na me kan nkwasem na se
na se nkwasem na okay
da bi obi bi
ono ye story do
na se sem na wo kan ye nkwasem ana
e ma me ye kwasem na
oh
ya bi on casa
ne papa
o se o da ja mu asa
so ba aponti owo ye eni kire bi ni mani nyina wu akukọ so we se da brobi ati mi no se papa ya mu asem no na ye nyi ngo papa no ai papa mi ni ya oniku
u befu
e mu asem so na wo kan o se jai
o papa bo mani o se ja mu asem anu ala bi so make
obeni he place no enu papa no we so use ya bi hash but omu disi etwi o manim trimudane ya doso tete na atete ene bi monya bi pempam na nke ka kotokwa ka place ni bi okro mu deserve so mbokotoko
no wa mani pan enough rest already performing
player de o sejesi na mfatawa ade ade tete ere nso ni mbobo
yeah
ne place bi o sejesi no kura mfata no ball no so onse ni mbo what I say ba mo bo ne nye asema papa ne kan ne very sensible say obi a no ne ye ma no ye busume so ye ntua ne ka ye ma ne winning bonus bia o de yere ho bo
na obi mato
obi ba beto onu kra no hwani bro de bobo na ko hwe sika pa opani salary aboy CBG so te ase ene ehun fiafia be kwa de kotoko place kwa de na o mo katua ho asem na nyai team ye team a so de hia so obese o se na tisi kuma supporters yi omu tesika te se bibi era no die ya boy be dan ho kakra do haso fo much o wi e sika ni gu na tadi supporters winning bonus de omo hwe free place
ekote mango de gu ya boni de basa no why sika no
when the last time kotoko ball kama share ye recent times ba mo bona nse nyina anye na akwa ko wi se nkola ya che na o ma share etu mo asem papa bi kan bona so mbo mo san ka se entontom we wo de obu on mo ba bi ofri ye ntro bia ba bi ofri na o ba bobo no ankasa kra no first before so ba kotoko no ba bi ofri a o ba no enso kra no obo trimu de o ti ase etese de ye ji hotel ye nto mosquito kwe na ye first spray nka ho na ne mo koso a mo ko bobo nso the mosquito repellent extra mo asan mo ko bobo na
I think say we take it to another level too much
I was just saying tontom na mo kana ye flimsy excuse
now one players no enough rest previous night now how can they perform
amom ko dan temo na mo yedun kan na tontom ba wi ba tontom wa okro ma so mo kira no say
tontom
wa so fine na fe fine na dum and mo ba de mo kawa serious o
obani black eye
mikasa
wadwuman awabi na no
obi adwuma kra mo nua mane
obeba na akiri pasa obi so omom so jale enu ayedum kan tuntum awie ntina wo wa nke be yode
wo o tete na hone kwaku ani ekotokofo
so o hu se basa aboka bra wa bre hisu
ne dwuma ketua
so na story near there about it
we na owura ayi na yeda na se ofori sapon
na sela ayi uber sales na bad the first na ba na ante no se fufu
uber na mu yam mbasa me kan ye bi ze de petrol ni ntimi
onu kwa 7 na
emu ye wa sa eses ni ba wa
na mo asebe da do
also na story near there
we dey na so
na VIP ade na bus doors no e pani pa o but e mo say
abu bande obroni company o ti mi nya yo amafo so
ana unyu su di na de register on
baby o
de microphone di madam pia yako hotel na ebusa di anu abo mi di o se fi se ofa madam fo no hotel bia o da bia o di mi di na da
za
no se kwa se kwa no di chere
na se hotel fo no se ampa se ya omo pe se
eso mu chi ID
ya o di ID ka
omo nya ID o Ghana hotels about 90% on ID
emre mu a konkonsa bebre
we ye pose udi ni sen na madam fo di mi di na da hotels a so kwa broche kura mi di na da hotel
oh ba se oduro ni ajo credit card a yenya interpel particular
kromo de credit card na da hotel
hotel say na use credit card machine
kromo de credit card na da hotel
what I say sika semna unze bia o ka bia na do kwa lisa ne no ne ade
yes ya kamole
yeah wo ayi satana market side
ba ku bia de kuma se plaza
plaza hotel
there all the champs side hoda
plaza de ayi fo so fo hotel
ona na akoda first na hoda
over there
And I have
almost all now mount Nasa.
Na me that's na ko kuma say hono na me koda na I have four double but they say they might move
all right
they say they go golden bean ha ni me na say say level don't change
I know
na opani me da ayi oro for isaponse escafo nyina yes a okrumu a kana na be fe just fight me akosi aye obi ka sort of ibi pa ama presec for kama pa anyango ponto me se na me so because me masse bit for na so kosi ma ayi opokuare na omo so ball kwaku say na wiase kona be ka in the next 15 years no ahwe ya mo ball was so biem o hesa the development ne kona ya mo ball was park fun ya ball league was so biem because amai na mo ni abiri ni nyina no you are shifting from sa nantwie park no eco park papa so it is person kwala benya that experience
but still grass is the best
but do you think AstroTurf is the answer
because when AstroTurf now on the lifespan the time so air time crashing cushion ball
you have to change it you have to
the
do
time so na ye maintenance culture e wo kruma na as ye pese dey ring na say turf room no say ye dua sre gususunsu na ye maintain kakra ye ntumi
you have to go in here
ye carpet be say how bobo a say ne
ya lie
abrofo no ye nti omo no ebi wa mo weather conditions ne mwa sre no yi grass ni bia na ho ba ye dey ba bia we the tropical zone
omukra asmata for
mo kwa sen kai ma esre grass ni bia ye den
na one former Bayern player a Ghanaian international Okofo osi AstroTurf ni dey kai pese your place in your good party and yenko your green grass
yenko back to the
because
grass
yo grass is no and also the fitness that ma
oh yeah so I did unya natural da una ja
now
say no kwa eno no ponche no kwa mo yare kwa mutumi fa no mo ahwehwe bia
oh yes surface o ba na ntwibini utumi tiam za chacha no na ona
abroche da ntwe enko ni papa ke so nkodi agro
awa mo ball na so ye player awa mo ball na ntwibini wo
ani ya Ghana happen
ana me ken
ani kwa bi watimi frɛ de ehunu bi timi twa no wafuna kotom sai tam sai ya fufura no be za hyew ntwe bi hyew opani to ayade scaffolding nyina so be boa ho kwakwan
na em say ye ka kotoko players yi ensem hunu ya enom de be yi omo ho anu yi nyame adma o chana say ye ne bichim
very tough match
across post Friday night match
moboro ye park no
one park
oh
na mo park kan kamle be mai
ya be home
yes you home ni yanso ye home ni
ye bie you are welcome
across folks some of them mo park na amasama training pitch
park no say no ayi nyame aduma fia de be wo so bo nti enani kina nyina ye wo so
okay
ti say yugusu a
mo de nema
prepare so
na mbajo so ma po mu ayema
ye bo wie kra
obi adi ho sa no
me me da no pa so ye be kwa akọ prepare so
ade na mo am kwa akọ prepare so
o se o ya de o kogi obi asase na yesu fia o so fu tiesie we nye de aban dia nti ye ho fia o se
anu nye players no adwuma ye woni pa
ye be prepare ho akopem time akosi ada mo bobo match no ansa na ibi free ho
o to ko foka no ma so betundra man krofo tina ne bobo anya o mo adwumbo ni nti
eti park dey say was why na we openi me person kind story here e wa hey o say my players have too much sex coach bi ono
o say my players Gigi Bikadi like I say you say my players have too much sex. Gigi Bikadi, the flamboyant owner of team near Bucharest Football Club,
Bucharest.
Yeah, FCSB, formerly known as Siao Bucharest. Think he knows what is to blame for his team's recent poor run in the Romanian league. Too much sex. The 1986 European Cup winners, Romania, most successful club with 26 league titles, have failed to win their last 3 games, and Bikali said after FSBS 1-1 home draw against Loli Chindia Tagovis, my players are making love with their girlfriends too often. That is why they aren't playing football so well lately.
And your camp way.
As I'm talking about say Odwin say players no ebie jadodo na opani na nkofo bi so kika say jabie na yema footballers ne na ne ba bibi amro so nya
obi ti say Guardiola say o ka che ni players ne say
Pep Guardiola.
Yes, Pep Guardiola say
one of the
a day before match no we have sex cry should be before 12 a.m.
Okay, so that you can recover a little bit and sana.
What you say?
There's a sex and yet market one mudi agro.
Debi. And
I'm having a rough rough.
And a bit more woman to say yanu dia kakra kray. Oh. A binum dia a marathon. Ah, 2 year player na o was a marathon range ni mu a. To say kwamna rasta man ya one kwamna na me onu say yes o was a marathon boni
rasta amadam fo no
onim ne ho abakosem
me how dey me call me say
wen kekanya asem ke to akra so hun 2 year France we player na obuka ko bobo the next day na adana nyumre odofo aba na usi ho so saa be free be se no so akopim nondu o sori a unum so a ukowiwi ya wasa besi so efi ayi dumienu ekwakwa kosi no miensa
oge no so ya amani amafo ni bia o ya so bla ama o ya mo je so for so akosi beba
tu be na homache a obesi akọ camp no use teams ni bi anopa no a camp
training asa na obesi akọ
ye tu obeba camp na nina kokomu ye den epopo
But in the Canada, I am Pamum, Sadia, no, yet be brave, Sana, which me a week.
There is time for everything.
And he coached me in any I small Canadian cross.
Go to go. Give up. Messi would be confirmed to see you. Oh, Baptist University. I'm out for him again. Oh, I quite don't go there. Boba, or any say you're not born in our on the Sana Major again, to Nama. Born is such a. And I'm going to say to one. Oh, now so obey. I'll go for the end. I got to go for. Already. A bright wild and say a Bruno Brotrofua, na ano ding. A man as 15 years. That's 15 years, and year drum papa, ya. Na no encroach your way. A year posse, says a fracture, a year happy Macunia. Amen. The beer or what you be a Fapamacunia. Maybe be anywhere, maybe be out, maybe I'm saying, I don't know, be what you be a Fapamacunia. Shoot, a Pimacunia, be out, be a Fapamacunia, I mean, coming. I don't know, Flo. So should have a because we be also a year normal over to service. Yeah, no, Pesoka. And the Pimacunia. The America be a Pimacunia. Or the chess, Sister Yana. Sister Sunday. Sunday, pa. And about this, oh, you would say the first day, young Sunday, young Sunday. And that's here for one was young Sunday. They mean no to money black. I'm on young Sunday. Happy Maconia. I tell young Sunday. Sister Sunday. I quite be also. Na afena ya kontokwani we osi aye no head na fima konya o etaisi bi asa wo transfer pepro ho abo baba villa na say o head na the first na yetna mukasa konya ntiantian so we the sofa ayi stuffing chair dey timi nya nisa my first yetna konya ntiantian so bench no o pepro ho sa na fe bosi wadi so ato o say better timi so si adwai dey say wo hu bebre da bi obani na abente de chese entokwa na wo ko no oguso ko around 7 and on one crop tam tawudi gum say jabi ntokoye ntimi nkubiem boxing mu de tawudi gum sa na say ofe o corner e to mo na say ofe to corner na omututum dia na say ofe to onya no
na even before that no say o steady tama if you didn't share corner how obo for the last na o share fans ni mo fans ni bi kura sore
such as say
yeah they were like
I don't call me no kono and form
say me tia asem kwa na kan wi ansa na
ani do to tawo no one na wi
wapam no
wasi adentina ye kokontokwa na me amaka kire wo say ye me ne kokoni kokuno ansa me kokontokwa sa na me ka kire wo na me nkuni nwie ye
na ye kume
wasi from 7 to 12 how many rounds do we have left 7 8 9 10 11 12 5 solid rounds was it can be betimi asi
ba ku bia so ya 3 minutes o
within that 5 rounds we to on ti ase say omo to ta oni gum
em say enro na omo de war no entiti na ni so
na bia ya bo wanu na fi moja say
you know be on my word the freezy pains e woni pa bia no entiti na ni so nti no still ayaw na wo so wote no onyanti ti no run na mouth sa no obani em say ya bo bi ɛwɔ ringi mu ama na wupen na ɛho abakɔsɛm ne ho asua di ntino empanimfo nhwɛ ɛma wu ngu ansana
wɔse nka wɔ wu
ɛna
I am a warrior I want to coach you
boa on France mfrɔko men go tuni bia ɔhyɛ dan nim nyansa sɛ ɔno ɔyɛ young boy
ɔte ayɛ how there
ɔnim nyansa sɛ me nhia no ba bia no abo kusia no hwɛ who see so abobo see olusu fight da o yamu ni say da eti ni nkrofo na o hwese de adnesi kono na sebe kwa me no na mi adane so te ase
okubo tumi sanya oku
se no e tane
adina ebotia wa na abotia o ebi ni dogbe
ya
dogbe ono so se ono me ye sure say usuro de papa ni nti ono ye se ne papa no ya
na boxer do ba ko so ko bi so ko kan na se nya sem ketiwa
ayi dabi me me kan dogbe kra so ono ne papa ne total ni tu o total ni tu no o baba ni se bi eti na papa
na ne bo fu papa total na
yabo ma mfum pia hye hye se de wo de droa ahye wa funu na o papa na ono awo no
o se
o hwe me nku egu
o hwe me nku no aso afunu ne de abagana na so o sie ne he
na o tuma na
o to ne nsa
most of the boxers
onu se me yeso se nyese ne papa ankoba be run him off ne papa no so esi osuro no because ne papa no so ho odin
yeah papa no so no se
o ye rough a onu ni nyina de be fe so e na ba wan ka hwe obani so mu ja no a
ko be ko wada
obi a moja efiri wasum be kra nipa asum de
aye drum ne paye
e je betuma ba se wadwen kra huma no ba ko na ate a aferi alikia be fa wasum
na say no ne tim panic membrane
why wasaki trainer no say trainer no you are not loyal to him
ya bo ne twede saa mo anhwa nto ne ta wa ngum na afedi o de ahomete na obi aso kabo because ya bo ne saa no e saa na adwene ne wusu say ya
okani se wele
esisu ye what I say akwaro ne ni sia 10 times obobo no
oh there be also is calling for a third fight na third fight no you make sure say on new people
oh man nto twede ni no man nto bi
so dey boa make say pete so say
bo next match akọ it happens
now when your second fight
the Holyfield the ball ties no
the first one was a draw
Holyfield the ball ties no so yes am na mra biem
rematch
second one crowd obo ne chen first no
ko no o te say basi o sanya buko mbanku a
egulade ebuko mbanku so no onyimi no ne basi na sa akọ biem basi no on na no soro crowd on say dey as e gene mo no o yesi no besi abo no
o kokoro na akọ
David
o se de buafu
ye onipa bi wo no mo a menim se o so na wo kontokwa a onipa bi wo no mo a
me ye wo me nkonda
obu a unim se uko 100 times obabu ne ho ode chen wo ye de obabu ntino
ya se otimi fo otimi wa
oroko for beti
ano no ona asem no ano no opani London no aden
awo bi ofri no funa obetra man boss what obu baby a person so obetrazie nze oyinte de achiri
so oyinka oyede
o tete oyede
o tete o sa yede oyinte de achiri wakote wo
o te wa
so everywhere
really yango
no opani Kevin Prince Watson nsa se wakọ piem wo yi a osi akan wo kakrakra ba so obogum pa na minim se
ezo take
minim se was said 3 goals 2 goals in 3 matches or so just obodwuma pa na
obenya call up na
ana mibu say on be san freda mana ba
I say the mind no did na tabini ni ho ntino
kwasi apiako nti eno so ho asem kakra wo ho no yes wo ya ade pa like record am say kan wo ha no say wo yire no bobo pa wo but the take so the time free players and for yes I akotoko be players makobako ensun bi adi
enye won
so when ho asem ka
enye won na players yi won adi ade no team no ba na team ma o say ma okọ because e hukuma papa mbeba nye say
ana face enkro so do so a
ye transfer konya ni gwase players ni bi ho no mo a on toto papa so say opa mo ko team fu so a kikikiki no ye no ho body say dey ave no asi so no
so do akotoko na bi complacency bi abani
mu de bi also last na old players ni bi kan your players ni bi ono a teams no esunsun eso chen wo what I say wo so bi wo no ma de ye pa but opie ni pempe no amo
okay
what I say o hwe ba bi a make I say bi a park twetwofo bi na o ye champion Messi wo so eni akofa ne so o mra kotoko a how to na ni nipa nyekuma o to na ni nipa nyekuma ya bo aben no kra nze aben ni free nipa
don't you think say honey say team psychology and as team psychologist
Ghana ha no say no Ghana ha teams ni bebre so wo ye de bo hwe mu na wo da ho a wuwo no na o de blog di America frechire o de abehwe wa ham
o de abeto hwe na so
se wona ya frechire say dey
bibia blog
disaster ecology na woka e de wa ball bia wa charge say oni adwuma bia ya friend o team no one dey experience A24 what you say
o twu blog sa
kwaku Adom say baby o tie na agba na dwo 12
okay
but just still more releasing the stress man pa
na dwo 12
guys here na say opani
na dwo 12 dem say that bro Dubai side o baby o
12 Canada for is opani na opani o himfa
oko minim say oko Norway akọ Germany akọ UK
the pictures big trend there just was center there ka say
yes oko baby award na pa kani so dia oko man award
opani sa
na hakura won ko mu no kasa o mi na no ni ho de me pa hwe
my who so say that my speech
o my na yen share traffic situation capital
oh my yen fa yi so kotokoko 10 players so make an asam kire o enru 70 mbobo obi ade 10 players boy no yes ye nya o sa akwa nti o mbra o me ansa
na pe ye nuro 7
jam o na krom so me invite o mo ni mbom
enya duro e busa
no football rule
yes ye duro na na
the list you can use to play is 7 players
and you have to give reasons you don't just go
na ntinti ye enkwada
and so more reasons
and am ntinti ye enkwada
who come kan say
oh
we no dey
e dey asem na e dey asem na okay
I duro na ko
come bro ni boni trinko ayi obani P for P and still P for P
that's right
yera say occur a court of arbitration for sports na GF4 obi akwa complain GF4 beko no ma akwa file atwesika na o ma be kirem na say court no e betena asem no so no o me ma agye sika no o de yenya bi P for P enso nim de o ye nto no dinamu atwesika no 20 I think it's 22,000 Swiss francs was a day what ya e de amakas for no enti enya wan say free na ekosi wachina no on be set data on be tena asem so I told you it's not over until it's over still P for P
and say league e be jabo
enti ekoko base say ya ka say P for P edi nkunimpe mo am hihie league ye ni mo ba bia
okay never count
we are coming back like kakai and my penny so nim so tayachi
ketokraku
debi openi
dey
oh openi a mo man dey reho ko fie
sa otai P for P
Nike
sa Nike Tennessee
yes send kan candidate pa no ni we mu nyina we mienu nyina na yi what I say
obade champion di Martinez say Accra so fuck I see news from OA Bas at Circle Accra so fuck is owing 500 million is it true
ade bas de ko Libya money ya ko de bas ko
and abekwa akwa asetini
anya no kaba me ko hwemu ajansa
okay abekwa akwa hwemu amwa blessings so no so feel show no China about 1
citizen journalism no e ade e koso pa wo se akwa ne friend say
Di Martinez
mano
news from OA
okay me contact them my details
at Cycle
because here mamu OA adwuma no
I am background pass ke OA kure betima siu no confidentiality we no be adwuma we no be
obede hu say ne papa ka wo ndi asem na aka
confidentiality no so very
junior Bobby so say ono so pape otie show no pa ewo ayalolo basim
tell Lulu and okwa masama inside do Lulu okwa masama ro
also dey ebi wo mu we ye be pon kra ansa na
opani papa afena ye dey be ko Guinness Book of Records 120 years na ibisa say denti na mananyi acha wo say fi say wo no oba na da no san hwe na didi mu yie research is obi tu ba say one ma dance so na o che wo
yes no be za na ye dey
we had why too is there no way do
and I'm so nyi baby
so no bad now
wow that's good
that's so odi natural nyoma kwa
yeah now say that's good
or say oni oba enada
we mu defy the words of God and the words of nature
as who has never slept with a woman before
say
ya nwome ya say no simple anu anwa na ono ti ono so onfa ba na obede no awo
say bi san de enti of say wani ache no say na didim
and the fact na mabua mo ho with mabua mo ho for eye fufu party
fufu party yeah
because this match yeah you
me le bia no
yeah ready na and
then you for rehearsals
we had mo fufu rehearsals
dey mo omre pa na me die
ye ya na ba hai
ye ya
odi like fufu
meeting cutting quite wrong cutting quite.
And all wrong cutting quite nobody all wrong.
Me wrong ben quite.
Oh wrong quite. And then you have you.
Oh yes.
Ma me some brand na mutine ma anje na.
And then one win am.
My yesterday you more people for no pe ma sempa.
Oh.
I'm telling you
Research man.
Wow.
Fufu omo wono no. Abani police ni be still a onya dan ni bi mesrew e na okaya me de to dwa so opedan wo abeka
okay
ana se tesano ana around depo police depo hey baby the number ni 0241 638811 0241-638811. Utum's agent for Nedra. Or say up to now, friend on TSM1. So,
agent and no more.
0241-638811. Around a baby.
Okay.
And
I'll be super boy or producing new sea.
Kulenu.
Kulenu's open. I was so open. Yes, or any who can small boys started per dance after one again. Open privacy.
And see, my shop. Pick it up. Damn thing.
Black, the eye, the black.
That be your card, yeah.
Yeah,
the Yamiasi. Then what in your drew here? Now, situation is saying.
But after black eye, yet and Mamote, Madina, Legon. Muye Juma or Tema Habo. By this time, no, make say a general hospital, Quano, about peso, traffic and about peso. Okofa, a main road in Nuswa, and no city, a demuka, but and I'm construction, a coso, or me run about it, no. Who drew a committee, 7 runabout a day, banner, traffic and about peso. Into the Obayeni, free a Tema Habo, ba a Madina, and Legon, and imported my honor, what's here. Obefa a year committee 5 traffic lights na si I saw Obesiako General Hospital Kwano no. Now one womb sebi afa a year committee 7 traffic lights which are afa will left. Who did do ma bako PMO ICGC a year ICGC the work committee 12 no ICGC how na we pie na do ba be pie a year motorway. Yes, I would do a near Chemu, ba a year Tamano. Now a quimia a joining to the toll booth and no one joining. That's a say, why in the street? One of our basic motor in the show. But I was survey traffic now, a year general hospital. Traffic now, main Harbour Road now, a little bit roundabout, you know. And see, a year Mamote, a year, a Muya Juma or Harbour, and so Mote Madina, any legal for them. Aha, and I'm over fast, and my members to Sima, who do a come to 5 traffic lights, now, over straight, I would come to 7 traffic lights, now, that's the second traffic light, no one for left. We were inside our committee 10 about Kutimu ICGC committee 12 branch no about the Simo motorway no about the child to boot now when I would do about the PMO a year run about the question about to draw no far left into a black eye a year traffic situation or a year tama any free black eye made I say very
damn day
black the eye black
here me that's now Sabra make us say Kwame Obade kuta ne nsem Kemilis cake for one more coupon bako sanso na na sample for Jesus kuta ne nsem bako na say de kuta mo yen kan say mo mfa nkodi ye be activate phone line na callers first 2 na bebe mo no because fans no guys very well because on Facebook anytime you guys sit on the show we love Facebook viewership it just rises to 8 crescendo and you know munye bibi so na mo fan kire mo dofo mo fans 0302-216-561 0302-216-562 and telephone numbers didi dwuma ene enwumre yo African Mama mraso
na onna be mama baso so baso dia wa ba
who say ya no person call peke no details ni ade no wrong
no GB numbers
African izo okay yam peke call so no kakra hello good afternoon
brother
yo me pa cho wa mo ni nkomo e
obani e frau say
David Kanete.
You any answer question when I be giving me cake, you know. And they say any partner you be irrigated that your bomb omo kasa no baba ku di na beje.
Oh, that's how come to the home.
Okay.
Ana
how be?
Yeah, also mo ba ko.
Oh, to me mo ba ko pe e me so me hwe.
You and the Ayabe family.
I get telephone.
Hold on, I know particulars. Hold on. Yampeke another one. Yeah, try say pick another one. Now make us a tile fix cement. And DBS. Wabuasu ya sini ye pa. Ama yedi jubedino. Edi abro and then hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Nana say.
I don't know when you're banning me.
For headset in my way.
But Nana say I'm for Fuji.
I said, those man fancy that made me 3 minutes the crowd. Yeah, for say.
But you're so me.
Huh?
Ring.
Menu.
Ring.
Nancy.
Irene.
Irene, who support it in Bay?
Oh, Kotoko.
Beje. What do you mean? I know, question maybe sana. What do you mean? Why?
Bas simple.
Irene Kasa cry. Oh, you ask me now. So you Kotoko.
What's the bas in Kotoko bas in Nkwenti Grano? What do you mean, Beje?
But I don't remember.
What's it fine?
Madina.
No problem. African, you have the African be reach you. Why?
Me dem African why to tell me good. Because I support to team Papa why?
Yusuf Edana or say one more mutie mo Europe so almost abed and so almost
Ghana cake. Oh, Charlie. What's in Bashi Abrochi na chocolate no near.
That's right.
Yeah.
Openi wa mo balande nti munhia mo Europe ni munhia mo balande
luggage bia en so nchese mane e ko bi ni ade na
na meso mo ban so amonya ni sika because ntade do mo sho mo ntade dada nti mo cho mo ade amonya ni sika mfa ma wo mo
say bia nyame adoma next week no ba bia ye kwa pese ye nante fa nyina na ye de betudwa
sa na ko fa white na
no ba no so ha na ye
sa mo sa mo kwa ko ntade ama mo ndoge sika na mo hia physical
ye ko ya kwa crusade ni ade nyina me ne kwa me so odwen ho
account.
Yes,
sorry, Bina, all mama 3 days.
Anointing service. Yeah. That's right. Tile Fix Cement, Tylon Ghana Limited for NY Tile Fix Cement. Mr. Ose, who see what Dan would be a below floor tiles, ubele water, say ceramic tiles and marble tiles, cement, was so useful. Tile Fix Cement. Tile Fix Cement, say Odile with tiles out to CSBB, Edana Kwemu Yepa. Furniture, cement shop bia o my Ghana muha Tema Accra Mami Sekune Ashama Tima Market Malam Blue Cross I was she last stop Wager SCC so Uto Market Hong Kong or Bank of Africa Payment Ponso Bente Kwashi Memorial Hospital ni se ope cement Eddie Leo floor tiles Edino Tile Fix Cement Obebwa Soto out Lakeside Estate Hona Behuna Tylon Ghana Limited for 0244 421 0244-421-635 na on a Tylon for intimate chenkomo usi wo dan wadu baby abebo so a frɛ yɛn yɛmbe DBS wo dan no so maw frɛ na yɛmbe DBS wo dan no so emfa maw DBS 4 ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Colorlink Plus DBS 4 ɛwɔ Alozinc Trusses